Hello everyone, wartime. Of course, I'm recording this afterwards. I was jumping on to help with the second wave, I believe, here. Double Finley. Level 23 troop, level 30 troop. Max emblems on both of them. This team, KM, I know it's not KM4. I will attempt to have their exact team name in the description of this video. But nasty teams. Never have I seen so many kobolds on the field, and doubles at that. So kind of putting together a team here. Mitsuko, maybe a yellow team. Pretty nasty Odin there. Need to get some more emblems on him so I can get him on my defense. So some rangers that should go off a little quicker. This is just a mana control team here, with Young as the, let's say, the lone sniper, really. Maybe switch him to a regular regard so he's not a huge target for Finley. I think that sounds like a good idea. Oh, the moves here. Move that green to the left, make a yellow match, bring some more yellows up potentially. Yep. And it set up a diamond. Cool. Low power. All right. So where do we want to start? How about... yeah, she's the one that can cleanse. Okay. So it's just a mana control game right now. Can't control all the cascades. We're going to give this a shot. Alright, lots of greens on the board. We need to do something about that. Yep, that'll get rid of some greens. Okay. Alright, is he supposed... if he missed... huh, okay. That was interesting. I keep working on this side. Alright. Ugh. I can get maybe that Finley to fire. Okay. Took himself out. Ooh. Alright. Okay. Regard. Thankful that you're doing your thing. Ghost those blues. I know the suggested match makes sense. Purple's at the bottom. Oh, I didn't go with that. Okay, no targets really. Ay. Got lucky with that cascade, huh? Even though it didn't do anything. Let's set up some more yellow matches here. So do I take the yellow diamond? Nope. Okay. Just more or less trying to just make some damage here. Trying to set up some more matches. Ugh. I'm getting lucky. Kind of getting lucky. That was tremendously lucky. Oh, we got some tattletaling going on here. She's gone? Okay. Now that happens sometimes when people leave. Just cascading to victory. Garnet. And you've got 2 weak hitters. And yeah, I was relying on Bai Young to be my, I guess, finisher. He hits okay. Well, we stayed alive. And we only brought 1 healer. So I'm satisfied with that. 71 flags to their 34. I think they flipped us early on. There is a YouTuber on here, so I'll take a look for Wolfheart Km4 YouTube. I'm going to try to find that individual. So anyway, we'll be back in a second. And we're back. 106 to 98. It's close-ish. Okay. I've been listening to the Gorillaz record Demon Days a lot in the last couple days. Hold on a second here. Okay, maybe I'm gonna try this Ninja Troop out. Yeah, because no, because yeah, Ninja Troops are specifically for right now are specifically for Titans trying to get higher hits. Okay, let's see. We've got some stuff on the bottom. Probably that bottom right red match, because I could make a Dragon Bomb right there, but that messes up the follow-up. And then I'm stuck with not very many titles. So this will give me 2 matches, which I'd prefer. And hey, look at that. It worked out. I'm playing faster than I can talk. So all those are charged up. Frig is the stinker. Yep, keep blasting away. Gosh. I think sometimes it would make sense to keep one of them in their regular side as a just a sniper, just a pure sniper. And this is where that Yang Mei would come in handy. Okay, some good timing here. Boom. These monsters are charged up again. the one with defense down. Yep. Yep, just moving right along. And charged up again, blast him again. That should kill Finley. Okay, awesome. Alright, 2 for 2. Ebo is fighting now also. He just went underneath, so that was weird looking. He took out the YouTube guy. I wonder if he knows him. I'm working on another target here. Okay. Akarog. It's weird. Ormec Frabera. Try to let the out of this war with the professor, that increased underwild gem thing. Just every little bit helps when you're taking on these minions. And I don't really have a lot of yellows emblemed. Yeah, turn the alarm off. So I could take rock, maybe? I don't know. Tuck him in a corner, or in a flank position anyway. Let's take the troops. Actually, that's fine. And I'm going to give him some emblems here. Yep, I remember doing this. Just want you to stay alive. He's not... I was really excited about this hero when he came out, and I've not been very excited about him since. He looks cool, but that's about the extent of it. And he's a cleanser, so I mean that's cool also, but alright. I want to make sure I have a chance to fire Gormek soon. And so that's been set up pretty well here. Awesome. Yellows. Yep. Sometimes it's neat to watch these and go, okay, I'd make the same moves. And I'm pretty sure I'm doing all the stuff I would do all over again. Okay. And now I'm kind of screwed. Purples, yeah, it's the ugly board. If that were the, I'm not gonna have a chance to fire the rock, huh? Oh, this is gonna be messy. Yep. Well, that was unfortunate. Really? Doesn't make any sense to do. Yep. So maybe... Yeah. Ugly. All right, let's go clean that up. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. I do think now I have a suitable team for Lepiota, and we'll find out next war if that's really the case. Okay, here we go. Okay. Trying to bunch up some tiles here, it looks like. It's quick. All right. Thanks, Francine. Okay. So go ahead and dump those purples in there. Lucky match. Lucky. Take out Finley. Swap. And you were minioned. Okay, let's try the pig team. Ooh, the sound of line on your computer is crazy. Let's see, anything exciting? But yeah, it is pig time. Oh, why did I not go with Garnet? Why am I not going with Garnet? Oh, so quickly back into old habits. Yeah, should have taken Garnet here. Green diamond. Let me get the board cleared up. That's the best option. All right. There's 2 more yellow matches. Yeah, I really should have taken Garnet. Ooh. Dump those yellows in the costume Marjana, maybe? Yep. Now we're charged. I'm actually not feeling very good about this. Let's see. Okay, if she doesn't die, she's dead now, right? That would have been close to game, or close to it anyway. Okay. Yeah. That stings a bit. Okay. And this should do it. Nice. Okay. All right. last team. I've got some options now, you know? It's getting crazy. I have this many options. So I can do my blue team. Let's find maybe a red flank. Or a non-Bara. Alright. How are we doing here? Alright. Good. We're at goal. Minimally at goal. Okay. Looking for target. Played this war very fast. Sunday's a busy work day. If the wars were on Saturday, I could spend a little more time. Or if I just woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning to do war. You know what? Try to take a, quote, easy target. Okay. Sniper. And, here. Nope, cat's head bag. I did get costume Sabino. I did. Just look at all these leftover heroes. I'm starting to wonder if I need to strip tier. I don't seem to use him as much as I thought I would. Okay, red match galore, purples and some blues. At the top. Didn't take that match, huh? Looks like I'm more worried about getting a heal. This isn't bad. Why am I... Okay, that makes sense. I'm going to be a turn late on that, aren't I? Because this is going to hit probably fairly hard. Ooh, okay. All right. What do we want to do? Stupid Onyx. Man, I hate Onyx. I hate Onyx. I'm afraid of Cobalt, but I hate Onyx. Yep, this is wrapping up. I'm going to fail. Okay. I'm glad I didn't make that panic dragon or red diamond. These reds should take her out. And then now I'm going to get attack boosted to death, right? Onyx. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. We did end up losing this war. I don't remember the final score, but we did lose. So, some good scores about in the top 10 there, or definitely above 200. So, congrats to all those, and we will catch you, I'm guessing, the next time. So, Wolfheart, Km4, I'm going to look for you online, man, or lady, or Wolf. Heart.
Daddy.
Hi.
Daddy.